Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a signature to your Gmail email account. This is actually quite straightforward and pretty simple once you know how, so smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are in my inbox, obviously most of it blurred because, well, privacy and all that kind of good stuff. But I'm going to show you how you can add a signature to your Gmail really fast and effectively. The first thing you want to do is go over to where the cog settings are at the top right here, give that a click, go down to where it says see all settings and give that a click, and then in here you're going to end up with all of these different settings for your Google Gmail account, right? And if we scroll down, we start to really see all the different things that we can do, right? Now we want the general tab here. There are a bunch of other things that we can do, but we're going to focus on this general tab, and we're going to scroll down all the way towards the very bottom, okay? And under here, I think it's 1, 2, 3, fourth one from the bottom is signature, and we can go ahead and click on the create new, okay? In doing so, we can give the signature a name, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in, you know, let's just say mine signature, right? It's going to go ahead and do that like so, and we're going to click create. Okay, now here we have the ability to write in this box here what we want our signature to be. Okay, and now this will vary depending on your title and what kind of information you want there. I'm just going to put in some really basic stuff. You could also copy and paste from an existing signature if you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and say many thanks, go down a line and say Nick, and then underneath that office guy .com, something like that, right? If we wanted a phone number or an email address, we could put that in there as well. Okay, and that's going to be that email address right there, okay, or that signature right there. You can create multiples depending on your own set of requirements. And then under here, you can say your signature defaults, right? So for new emails that I use, I can go ahead and choose a signature. In my case, my signature or something else. For replies or forwards, we can change that as well. And you can basically insert signatures before the quoted text in replies by ticking this box right here as well. So that is how you would set up a signature really easily. You can add images in here. You can put hyperlinks in as well. For example, if I were to highlight this, come into here, for example, we could hyperlink it and all that kind of good stuff. You can change font colors and all that. So you can mess around with your own styling as much as you need. And of course, you have the ability to set those as defaults as well. And there you have it, guys. That is how you would add a signature to your Gmail. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Smash the like button if you found this useful and informative, and of course subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.